Hello guys, we are back again, and today the first thing which we will be doing is understanding that how many type of spreadsheets actually exist. All right, so let's open the whiteboard and let me tell you how many type of spreadsheets actually are possible. Google Jam. Just a second, it will take hardly a second. Yeah, so we are ready. So now let's start. So talking about the type of CSS which are available here, which, which are available to use, there are three types of CSS sheets. All right. The number one is the CSS or the styles which we have in the same line as the HTML code. The similar, the fashion which we are following in case of image. First, we are declaring image source, alt, and then inside style, we just gave a double quotation and wrote the styles, width, and height, and all inside that. All right. So one thing is inline. HTML can be inline. Another way we saw that in the code, we at a place we wrote style inside body, and we gave all the required styles which we needed, like the background color and all, and then we closed it. So another way is internally, right? Internally. And the another way is outside, मतलब तुम्हारा जो index.html पेज है, तुम क्या करो, उस फोल्डर के अंदर styles डॉट सी एस एस नाम का एक और सेम फाइल बना दो, and you just interlink the style.css with index.html, and this we call as external connected style sheet. So there are three types: inline, internally connected, and externally connected. तो सब देख लेंगे, पर basically in this case we basically in majority cases we will be using this and this. All right. So this is the funda behind the three types of CSS, three types of CSS, and now we will try to understand the CSS syntax. All right. Suppose you have got a header which you have named h2, and now you are trying to include some styles to it. All right. So suppose you want to color it green, semicolon, and something else like font sans serif, close. All right. So now we can say that this is the this is called the selector, which you are actually selecting to apply your style properties. This is the property which you want to apply to the selector. right? And this is the value which you have assigned to the property, and this whole is actually called declaration. Samjhe? So this was all about CSS syntax. So the declaration block contains one or more declarations separated by semicolons, as you can see, and each declaration includes a CSS property name and a value separated by a colon. Multiple CSS declarations are separated with semicolons, and declaration blocks are surrounded by only curly braces. Is it clear? So this was all about CSS syntax and the type of CSS available. Alright, now we will be coming to CSS selectors. What are the various type of CSS selectors? Okay, so let's see. Now we will be doing it practically, do not worry about that. But first understand on pen and paper, then only we are going to move in the real edge scenario. So now, what are the various type of CSS selectors? नंबर वन इज अ सिंपल सिलेक्टर. सिंपल, ये सिंपल सिलेक्टर क्या क्या होता है? जैसा कि तुम्हारा क्लासेस हो गया, वेरियस क्लासेस विच यू डिक्लेयर इन योर एचटीएमएल, या फिर आईडीज विच यू डिक्लेयर इन योर एचटीएमएल एंड देन लेटर यू कॉल देम in your css file with a dot extension or hash extension, and you further use them. ठीक है? Then is the combinator selector. What is a combinator selector? Combinator selector is a selector which selects elements based on a specific relation between them. Selects elements based on specific रिलेशन बिटवीन देम. मतलब मान लो कि जो सारे H1s है मेरे पास, मैं सिर्फ उनको ही कलर करना चाहता हूँ, तो इट वोंट color all the text in the style sheet, rather it will only look for H1 and color them. ठीक है? Then there are pseudo color selectors and pseudo element selectors. Basically they select the style, means पूरा एक एलिमेंट है. ठीक है? पूरा एक एलिमेंट है और उसमें से किसी सर्टेन पार्ट को अगर मुझे स्टाइल अप्लाई करना हो, किसी एक पर्टिकुलर, मतलब क्या कहते हैं उसको, किसी एक पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट को, रुको मैं दिखा दूं. सूडो, सूडो में क्या होता है कि एक बहुत बड़ा कुछ एलिमेंट है, इमेज या कुछ, तुमको सिर्फ इतना ही पार्ट एडिट करना है. ठीक है? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल एंड इट इज पॉसिबल थ्रू द सिलेक्टर्स लाइक सूडो selectors which are called pseudo selectors. All right. So this is the whole scenario. As and one more thing. Suppose you have a full HTML page. ठीक है? Full HTML page तुम्हारे पास है. And now you want to add some changes which will be applied throughout the web page irrespective of what styles have been applied to separate elements. ये पूरे वेब पेज में तुमको अप्लाई करना है. तो in that case use an asterisk, then open, and after that text align, कुछ भी कर दो, left, and apply blah blah more styles, declarations inside, and basically when you use asterisk it will be applied to the whole web page irrespective of any kind of specifications that you have mentioned. Okay, so this was all about HTML. So now let's understand how we can actually apply an external CSS in our website or web page. तो देखते हैं इसको कैसे अप्लाई करते हैं. ठीक है? So हाउ टू अप्लाई मतलब एक्सटर्नल शीट को कैसे हमारे HTML पेज के साथ मतलब इंटीग्रेट करें। तो लेट्स गो टू just a moment, let's open bracket and now let's save as line, save as. So let's save it as styles.css. ठीक है, always use the .css extension. We saved it. Now let's create. Suppose we want to, let's see what we can do. Let's do one thing. ये जो अपना न्यू क्लास है ना, ये जो न्यू क्लास है, ये वाला न्यू क्लास है, इसमें कुछ चेंजेस करते हैं. वी विल बी implementing some changes, ठीक है, in new class. So let's do it. Suppose new class मतलब dot new open, ठीक है. So text अलाइन कर देते हैं पहले इसको सेंटर में, ठीक है. एंड लेट्स गिव कलर इज इक्वल टू समथिंग ब्राउन, ठीक है. नाउ suppose you have this style sheet, you can keep on adding other styles as well, ठीक है. ओ एक सेकंड, ठीक है, capital M. And now you come to the index.html page. So for implicating the changes which you made in the HTML page and you want to have it in your uh, means implement the styles in your HTML, you need to just write another syntax. For that, go to this just below header and write link, link rel is equal to, here you write style sheet, ठीक है, link rel style sheet, and after that href is equal to bracket open close, you go for styles.css and then just close it. Let's save it, and as you can see the changes have been made. They are in the middle. I have oriented the text in the center and I have colored them brown. All right, so this is how you apply external changes into the web page, and inline and the what I'll say, the internal CSS we have already done in previous classes. Just give it a try, and if you have any problem in understanding, then please refer it to me. Right. In CSS, if you want to add some comments, okay, this is a very short thing. Let me explain it. In CSS, if you want to apply any kind of comments, then just use go here. Let's add it here. You use a backslash, you use an asterisk, and this is aligning the text. Then you go here again, you give an asterisk, you give a backlash, and this is the end of your comment. So this is how you pass commands in actually CSS. Okay. So this is all about CS, how to implement CSS externally and how to give comments in CSS. So मिलते हैं अगले मतलब वीडियो में जहाँ पे we will be studying about the CSS colors.